Before you decide whether to buy Freedom, here are 7 key things you absolutely need to know. Freedom is one of the best productivity tools out there, but you need to understand exactly how it compares to competitors and if it truly offers everything you need. Stick around till the end because I'll share insider details, including how you can get the best offer and a completely free trial, so don't miss out. First thing, Freedom's main selling point is its ability to block distracting websites and apps, creating a distraction-free environment for you. What sets it apart from other tools like Cold Turkey or Stay Focused is the sheer flexibility it offers. You can customize your blocking sessions by scheduling them, setting recurring blocks, or even making a locked mode where you can't disable the app once it's on. This level of control is a game changer for anyone serious about staying focused. Next thing, unlike other productivity tools, Freedom doesn't just limit your time on websites, it blocks the entire internet if you want. This might sound extreme, but it's especially helpful when you need to completely disconnect from everything. Other apps like Focus and Will or Rescue Time give you data and insights about your time usage, but sometimes you just need a hard reset, and Freedom delivers that without needing you to be online to use it. The third thing to know is its device compatibility. Freedom syncs across all your devices: Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. It's not just one and done on one device. A lot of competitors, especially those that focus on one platform, miss this universal appeal. If you switch devices frequently, Freedom is incredibly useful because your settings travel with you, ensuring you're always protected from distractions. No need to worry about being productive just on your laptop and then getting lost on your phone later. The fourth thing is the session scheduling. Freedom allows you to set up time block sessions in advance. You can choose blocks of time when you want to focus and let the app take care of everything. The beauty of this is that it's not just an on-demand tool. You can prep your schedule ahead of time, and Freedom will automatically block those distractions so you don't even have to think about it. This is something that not every competitor offers, and it can make a huge difference for someone with a tight work schedule. Now let's talk about pricing. The fifth thing to know is that Freedom offers a free trial and competitive pricing compared to other tools like Focus Booster or Freedom. You can test out the full functionality with no strings attached. But here's the kicker. By using the link in the description, you can get the best offer on the market and exclusive access to a free trial. I'll touch on that more at the end, so stick around. Next, Freedom's mobile app isn't just about blocking distractions, it also tracks your productivity. Many competitors focus solely on blocking, but Freedom's built-in productivity tracker gives you a clear view of how you're spending your time. It can show you where your time is wasted, helping you adjust your approach. It's a feature that's more comprehensive than many other apps in this space, which often don't offer as much detailed feedback. Lastly, the seventh thing to know is how easy it is to use. Freedom has a simple, intuitive interface that doesn't overwhelm you with settings and controls. Many other apps can be overly complicated or too rigid, but Freedom strikes a balance by making it easy to use for beginners, while still offering powerful features for advanced users. If you're not tech-savvy, you'll still get the hang of it in minutes. So if you want to give Freedom a try, click the first link in the description below to get the best offer and access to the free trial. Don't miss out on the exclusive benefits you get by using that link. You deserve a more focused, productive day, and with Freedom, you can finally achieve it. Go ahead, take control of your time today.